Uh, Present, now we completed past tense, then present tense, that present simple present tense we already completed. Then now we will talk about the past continuous tense. Okay, the first point, you used with always, continually, etc. for persistent habits in the past. So example, he was always working. So that's a continuous, always and continually, the habit is, action is going on. The next point is past perfect tense. So in past perfect tense, we make the past perfect describes an action completed before a certain moment in the past. So how we make this sentence? I met him in New Delhi in 1940. I had seen him last 5 years before. So he is telling the things had happened, but the moment it is already past. But he is talking about the past things. The next is it indicates desires in the past that have not been fulfilled. For example, I wish I had not wasted my time. So these are the past continuous tense that we use in the sentences. Okay. Past tense. In past tense, there are also we call past indefinite tense or simple past tense. There are some ways we use past tense, these sentences. So let's see. First ones, the simple past is used to indicate an action completed in the past. It often occurs with adverbs or adverb phrases of past time. Okay, let's see then the example. She left school last year. So she already has gone from the school. So last year she left the school. Then example second one. I visited the Taj Mahal 3 months ago. So I just visited 3 months ago. I visited Taj Mahal. It's the past, simple past tense. There is nothing is added there. So next ways that we use past tense to indicate past habits. So that's a habitual action will be there. She always carried an umbrella. Okay, whenever she goes out, she used to bring umbrella. She always carried an umbrella. Okay, the next one. In those days, my mother gave me some pocket money every day. Okay, every day she used to give money, pocket money to that girl or boy who is. Okay, the third ones, the habitual past can also be expressed by using used to. Okay, that's used to also we say that the habitual action will be, that is already past, but continuously that is we use. She used to drink tea in the morning. So that's habitual action that was she was doing. Now she is doing, maybe from tomorrow also, tomorrow she may do it. So that's the habitual past can also be expressed by using used to. So as we told, she used to drink tea in the morning. Okay. So next comes here past continuous tense. So how we use the past continuous tense, also there are some ways we use past continuous tense. The next comes past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. These are the four forms that we can see in past tenses. Okay. Good afternoon, students. Now we will continue our English grammar. We were talking about the present simple present tense or present affirmative tense. We already completed, and present continuous we completed. Now we will talk about the present perfect tense. So how we make present perfect tense? There are three main points of the to indicate completed activities in the immediate past. Okay, so we just say with just. So that word we use, just to finish, just gone, just came, okay, those things. Okay. So let's see how it is. Example, he has just gone out. Okay, the second example, they have won the match. Just to finish that action. She has come now. She already came now. So they just saying that she has come now. It means the action already completed. Okay, next comes here to express past actions whose time is not given and not indefinite, not definite. Okay, so let's see how it is. Example, I have never known him to be angry. So I have never seen that he get angry. The next is have you done MSc Maths? So asking the questions. The next third one is to describe past events whose effect is still exists. Example, I have cut my finger and it is bleeding now. So I just cut my finger, but still the effect of that cutting of the finger is going on. Then second example, we have finished our work. Now we are free. So I just finished my work. Now I am free. So that's the three main ways that we use the present perfect tense. So as you know, next comes here present perfect continuous tense. So students, I will just explain to you, then later I will write on the board and I will tell you what all things. Okay. So as we say present perfect present perfect continuous tense, what are these main things? To describe an action that began in the past and is still continuing. Okay, so what is that? To describe an action that began in the past. So already started past, yesterday or before yesterday, the other day, and is still continues. Still the action is going on. So let's see an example. They have been staying in the village for a long time. It means they are there only. They were there so many years before they were there. Still now they are there only. So the next example is it has been raining since last night. So from last night there was raining. So the action is still continuing. The next point is to express an action already completed but whose effect is still continuing. Okay, as we said now, the expression to express an action already completed, sorry past, but whose effect, it means the effect is still continuing. Okay, so how it is? I have been running around for the job all day and now tired. Okay, so now I was trying to get a job, but now I am so tired. Okay, so continuously I am doing this action. Okay, so as we know that there are the things, the rules, no? Affirmative sentences, negative sentences and interrogative sentences. How we make these sentences? So that you can see in the text itself. That's okay. Then next we will go to see. Next is past tense. Okay. So past tense, how it comes? So I will explain to you.